So you might be in a situation where your Snapchat is running into this type of error code, which is something like a Cox1p-1071 type of error code, or it should show you like a support code like this. Now, sometimes you might get this type of pop-up or error, and easiest way to go and fix the problem is to go through and close out of Snapchat. So when you're in Snapchat like this, swipe up out of Snapchat like this and go ahead and just close out of it. Give it a second, let it just kind of just recuperate itself, and open up Snapchat again and try doing the exact same thing you just tried to do. So that in and of itself, you would not believe how often that will just fix the problem. So close out of Snapchat and see if that ends up fixing it. If that doesn't end up doing it, the next thing you might want to try doing is to go through and try updating your Snapchat application. So what you're going to want to try doing here is to go ahead, tap open on your App Store. So open up your App Store, your Google Play Store, whatever you have, and try searching up Snapchat. So just like this, search up Snapchat and go ahead and open up your Snapchat application. So what you're going to want to do here is you want to go ahead and click on the update button. So right here, tap on update, and all you're going to want to do here is basically just update your Snapchat application. That in and of itself can end up fixing a lot of different problems, and that's all you're pretty much going to have to do here. So try updating your Snapchat application, and that can be another thing I recommend doing. You can also try restarting your phone, but those are kind of the main ways to go ahead and do it. So if you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.